Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the data. Start now by selecting the cells that need contextual recognition. First, make sure Smart Lookup or data types is enabled on your ribbon. This lets Excel identify people, places, dates, and more. With the range highlighted, right-click and choose Smart Lookup for instant research, or go to Data right arrow data types to convert entries into linked records. This first step turns plain text into interactive content, so Excel can suggest actions and fields for extraction. Once converted, Excel attaches a small icon to each cell. Click it to open the record card and inspect identified fields. You can insert related fields into adjacent columns, click a field on the card, or use Excel's Insert Data button to populate columns quickly. For formulas, use field value or structured references to pull single values into your sheet. This middle phase lets you normalize and enrich many rows at once, so your spreadsheet becomes a structured dataset ready for sorting or analysis. To finish, scan converted cells and verify that each smart tag matched the intended entity. Correct any mismatches by editing text or choosing a different record from the card. Once done, refresh data types when sources change, and use clear or reconvert to reset problematic cells. If tagging fails, make sure spelling is accurate, your internet connection is active, and Excel is updated, then retry with a smaller sample. This ensures reliable results and lets you automate the rest of your workbook with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.